First possession, first source. Si Vito, three. Taghanang chance. Gadam is the ball. Turns the ball over. Counter steal by Vito. Tumalansad. Easy two. 2 points. Oh, Quintana. What a quick pass. Caballero with 2 points. Glides foul. Personal foul.
Fouled in shooting action, free throws.
Strong, Malesab picks up the rebound. Grabs it up, Kobe Pino with a bank shot is good. 2 points. Rome, no good still for first source. Another one, this time it's good. 2 points. Outlet pass was stolen by Sariego. Sariego must his way through, easy 2 points. Time out outside, shot clock 8 seconds. Pino! From behind by Pipito, outlet pass from Dias. Easy 2 points. Under 2 minutes remaining, Rodriguez. Sidestep. 2 points. 2 points. Out of the shooter. Wala yung isang shooter.
Fouled in shooting action, free throws.
Free throw for De Los Angeles was good. Absolutely.
Was good.
Second free throw up. 3 versus 2. Rome with the advantage to Manriquez. Easy 2 points. Carpio, low post move. Fadeaway shot. Good rebound by Nilo. Sayama. Sariego. All the way was fouled. Basket shot. Basket shot. Another personal foul.
Free
For
throws.
Alfante. Sariego. Still no good. Carpio with a putback. 2 points. Under 5. Quintana with a steal. Pass it to Manriquez. Easy 2 points. Able to secure the ball. Carpio for 3. Bang! 3. Sariego. All the way, no good. Taps it to Dias. Easy 2.
Fouled in shooting action, free throws.
Fouled in shooting action, free throws.
Rome with the rebound. Alfante with the jumper, yes sir. 2 points. Sariego for 3, yes sir. 3. Pass. Caballero jumper, yes sir. 2 points. Time out.
Time.
That's the lead to 9. Pipito all the way with Brazil. Back to the clean pass. Almost a steal. Caballero. Good pass to Quintana for 2. Quintana. 2 points. 2 points. Perez, pass deflected. Solid by Balansag. Easy 2. 2 points. To the middle, another turnover. 2 points.
Found in shooting action.
Personal foul. First first for Quintana.
Found in shooting action. Personal foul.
Caballero, sidestep beauty is good. 2 points. Still got the same 10-point lead. Takes it out. Filipino jumper is good. 2 points. Turns it all over. Manriquez is delayed. That's the lead to 9. Rebound, tap to Balansag, Balansag fakes, puts it up, 2 points. Now with the ball, pass it to Rome. Rome, jumper, yes sir. Back to 9 points. Balansag, drops it up, Pipito with a floater. 2 points. Whenever may nagitsa po ako. Signal doon po. Quintana drops it up. Caballero with a lay. Easy 2. 2 points. 10-4-3. The pass again to Rodriguez. To Rome. Easy 2. 2 points. Grab the ulit. Bell, asa, 5 fouls. 5 fouls.
Shooting action. Free throw.
Foul out.
Well, what's up? 5 fouls. 5 fouls.
Free throw.
Foul out. Foul out.
4. Ano ba yung score na? Doon ba? Enriquez. Caballero. Sidestep. Foul.
Found in shooting action. Free throws.
This is good.
Foul.
Second free throw for Carpio. It's good. Split charity. Standing back. Boarding house. First
Boarding
house.
house.
2 points.
2 points.